and welcome back to our channel. I'm Carol.
And I'm Laura. Join us today as we show you the core 4 things to do in Cayucos, California.
We're going to be showing you the historic pier and some public art,
as well as a shipwreck, and of course, the Brown Butter Cookie Company.
Come along.
Cayucos, California is known for its laid-back attitude and pristine beaches.
It embodies the essence of a classic California beach town with an Old West vibe.
The town is nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the picturesque hills, providing breathtaking views.
Our number one thing to do in Cayucos, California is to check out the public art installations.
You can do a walking tour of all the murals around town, like this one.
This one.
And this one.
Or this one.
And this one.
You can find artwork everywhere in this town, with large murals depicting local history, community spirit, and coastal scenes.
We especially like this mural made from recycled plastic, and this one showing the town founders at the historic Cayucos Landing.
There's even a sculpture that celebrates and honors the indigenous people of this coastal area, the Chumash and Salina nations, whose territories met at the center of Estero Bay.
It takes you through the legend of the 3 worlds in a beautiful mosaic installation.
Not to mention the ocean-themed statues near the pier.
Next on our list is making a stop to see the wreckage of the SS Point Estero.
It ran aground in 2017, and they decided to clear out all the fuel and let it just be reclaimed by the sea.
One tip we can give you is to check the tide tables and come at low tide so you'll see more of the wreckage from the shore.
The SS Point Estero can be found in the Estero Bluffs State Park, just off the Cayucos-Cambria Road exit off Highway 1.
There's a dirt parking lot where you can leave your car, and then it's just a short walk down the trail to the shore.
Let's go see a shipwreck.
You can start to see the ship peeking out right as you get down to the end of the bluff. And it's such a clear day, you can see Murals Rock all the way from here.
It's possible to climb down to the sandy beach at the base of the bluff, but it is pretty challenging.
If you do go down to the beach, they ask that you not climb on the wreck itself.
We decided to stay up at the top and still got amazing views from above.
Our next stop is the historic Cayucos Pier.
It was built in 1872 by James Cass.
He was a sea captain, and he actually built the entire wharf here in Cayucos. He also built a beautiful house that is now a hotel.
You can even rent it out as a wedding venue.
Now this pier went under a huge renovation and it reopened in 2015.
The pier is lined with plaques of the donors who made the renovation possible. It's a great way to spend the day. You can watch the surfers, try your hand at fishing, or just hang out on the beach.
Walking to the end of the pier brings you the best views, and you can also find a few benches along the pier to sit and take in the ocean breeze.
There are several restaurants and beach bars near the pier, like the popular Schooners and Duckies Chowder House, where we went to have fried seafood and chips. It was delicious.
And don't forget to stay for Golden Hour, where you can get some truly epic pictures underneath the pier.
And the most important thing to do when you come to Cayucos is to stop by the Brown Butter Cookie Company.
You have to try their brown butter cookies.
The cookies are crumbly. They're not what you would think, but they are so savory, salty, and sweet all at the same time, and they are made all right here on the Central Coast.
Right. They used to make them here in this facility, but brown butter cookie is getting so popular that they're opening a new facility in Atascadero to make the cookies.
They also have a store in Paso Robles and in San Luis Obispo, so you can get brown butter cookies everywhere on the Central Coast, but they started right here in Cayucos.
The cookies come in several different flavors. We recommend the original and the cocoa for a chocolatey treat.
I'm getting the honey flavor for Randy. They're his favorite. The honey flavored cookies are soft and chewy and still have the delicious taste of savory brown butter mixed with the honey. Brown Butter Cookie Company is open from 9 to 6 daily, and the best part is they do free samples. And there you have it, the core 4 things to do in Cayucos, California.
We hope that you've enjoyed today checking out the public art, the historic pier, a shipwreck, and of course the brown butter cookies.
If you have something you like to do in Cayucos, California that we didn't mention, please mention it in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time on Core 4 Adventures.